Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple messages at once on the OfferUp app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to sell on OfferUp and you're receiving multiple messages, but you've already sold the item. How do you actually go ahead and delete multiple messages at once on the OfferUp app? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's log on to the OfferUp app. Then click on Inbox, then click on Edit on the upper left-hand corner. So as you can see, you now have checkboxes. So what you can do is that you could actually go ahead and select which chats that you want to either mark as read, or if you'd like, you could actually go ahead and delete them by doing the same thing and then clicking on Delete. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete multiple chats and delete multiple messages on the OfferUp app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.